All right, guys, we're gonna do the Weave Omoplata, okay? Tying in or kind of following up with the last one here, right? The Omoplata here, okay? I'm here in this position, okay? And the three counters, the three basic counters, right, is for the guy to do a front roll, for the guy to jump over my head here, and also for him to kind of stand up, okay? So I'm here, when he starts to stand up, I have this kind of cross guard position. Look, guys, this foot can go underneath his neck, and I kind of push myself kind of where I'm more perpendicular, and I go underneath his neck, and then eventually I go underneath his arm, okay? So if you check out my foot here, I go underneath his arm, okay? Okay, here, okay? See it over here, okay? And all I do, guys, is I straighten out my left leg, right? And it gets this shoulder, boom, the guy has to go down, okay? If the guy is super flexible, sometimes I even go underneath his leg here, okay? And I can use it. If the guy's not tapping by this time, I can grab the ankle, you know, and I can take him out like that, okay? So it's a great way to, to finish as he starts to stand up. It's all about timing though, right? So again, I'm here in that cross guard or the omoplata position. He starts to stand up, and right away, look, guys, I have to have this triangle closed, okay? And I just weave underneath his arm. Look, if the arm's not there, the neck sometimes is enough, right? And the guy's gonna either tap, right? Or he's gonna go down. As soon as it goes down, I'm going to go down, like with your body. I can go into the regular omoplata, okay? And then if he defends by the rolling and stuff, we did that in the last video, okay? But if he starts to stand up, look, guys, I'm here, right? I go underneath his arm, and I just straighten out my left leg, and my right leg kind of pushes right into that shoulder blade, and I finish with the omoplata. So give it a shot, guys. Weave Omoplata series, and have some fun.